Yo, always good chat back with another trade recap. Today was a pretty rough day in the office, I can't lie. As you can see, this Alpha Zero eval down. I hit the daily loss limit on it, and then let's go to the top step. I lost 240, and then my eval, yeah, my eval's cooked. So yeah, man. Um, I'm at least, I mean, not I'm not really even glad that I'm only down 240 because I wasn't even planning on like taking this setup at all. So we're like I should be down like nothing, but yeah, whatever. What can you do? Doesn't really make that much of a difference. It was a small loss. I'm just glad it's not a full size loss or anything. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna get into the trade recap. Best setup today was this setup at 11. Uh, whoa, what is this? Are you serious? Why is it like this? Okay, whatever. It was this long right here. Dude, what the fuck? But yeah. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna be using train view because why is it like this? Okay, yeah, I'm going to top step. Okay, so yeah, I was originally one win from a payout, but now I just decided I'm gonna get like two. I'm just gonna wait till I get two more wins. So until my balance gets to 2K at least, then I'll withdraw a payout. Then um, that'll make it so I could request at least $1,000, which would be sick. And then also, I'm if I like was planning on my next trade again a payout, I would like size so heavily on it, and just like have the potential of losing like half my balance. So I'm not trying to do that. I'm just gonna try to keep my same risk, which is like 5 to 600 a trade, and then hopefully win two, and then get a nice little payout. But yeah, so pretty much coming to the market open. You could if you're in my Discord, you'll see that I was being so cocky about shorts. I also did say though that this new week opening gap over to the left that we perfectly respected um, could be the reason why shorts don't play out. Um, like if this new week opening gap wasn't here, shorts would 100% have played out. And I'm not even joking either. Like, but I should have been a little more skeptical of it since we literally wicked it, tapped the new week opening gap perfectly, then bounced off it. So I should have been a little more skeptical of it. But yeah, I thought the confluences were there for shorts, so I'm not mad. But yeah, so pretty much coming into the day, I was bearish. We had all this hourly displacement to the downside. We inversed every 4 hour gap to the downside. Not only that, we had some insane equal lows. We had insanely far equal lows with the London lows right here. So even if we are bullish, we should still hit these equal lows. Were those the equal lows? I'm not sure. On NQ, these are equal lows, is all I know. But equal lows right here. And then I literally drew this out in my Discord. I wanted to see us get a 930 Judas swing up, tap this 15-minute gap, then get a short targeting equal lows, which is pretty much what happened. Except we ended up going a little higher, tapping this 5-minute gap and this 4 hour CISD. Tapped the 4 hour CISD and 5-minute gap in the same position. So I thought, okay, we should not go any higher if we were bearish. And then we also had an unfilled 5-minute gap. So what do you know? I was originally planning on just waiting to take this 3-minute inverse. I was just going to take this 3-minute inverse, wait for it to happen, because if we inverse this, we are 100% bearish. There's zero way we're going up. So I was originally just going to take this, but then I started to think, like, well, what if we don't get a close for it? What if, like, we just dump down and, like, close down here and don't even get an entry? So I decided I'd scale in a little bit. I'd scale in after this 1-minute inverse. I mean, this trade isn't bad. It's a short. It's a mech model short target on full 5-minute. So boom, I bought, yeah, you can see I'm down 248. So I risked 240 here. I was going to move break even at the unfull 5-minute, and then I was going to scale in with like hella contracts if we inverse this 3-minute, which as you can see did not happen. But yeah, I was going to move break even at the unfull 5-minute. And yeah, as you can see, we didn't hit it. So yeah, kind of a weird day. Pretty much just had the completely wrong bias. The only reason I took this short because of how confident I was in being bearish, but I guess I was just wrong. Yeah, like it's just so weird. We leave all of this liquidity. Like it's one thing if like overnight we like chop down and then like sweep this low and then go up, but the fact we left equal lows and all this trend line liquidity while still being bullish is just it's just like weird price action, to me at least. But yeah, I'm happy that it was at least a small loss. I mean, it wasn't like a perfect trade. This is this is honestly more of like a discretional trade, I'd say, because of how confident I was in my bias. Like this pattern trade or this inverse and this closure or whatever isn't the best, but I was really confident in my bias, so I decided to take it. And yeah, my target were these equal lows. So what I did wrong was, I mean, it was a good trade, nonetheless. I'm not really upset that I lost on it, but I should have like remembered that we filled this N walk to the T and then reacted off it. So after we got like this 15-minute displacement up, I should have been skeptical that maybe we just weren't bearish, and I should have just waited for this 3-minute inverse, or 5-minute inverse, I think. So yeah. Good trade though. It's only a $240 loss, so the risk reward is still there because my wins are about like 500 to 600. So yeah, and I risk like 600 usually, so 600 times 3 is 1800. So I still could take three $1,600 losses. So this didn't really do too much. This loss affect my balance too much because my risk reward was there. But yeah, man, it kind of sucks going on it's been like 7 days since I've taken a trade or something like that, and then my trade back is a loss. But yeah, whatever. Just gotta be patient, wait for that next A plus setup, because that next A plus setup I'm finding it's gonna be a win, and then I'll make all this back, and then yeah. So yeah, 2 wins from now, I will be requesting a payout. I'm gonna risk 500 to 600 trade, just obvious A plus setups, and yeah, man. It also sucks that we're back to all-time highs. Wow, we are actually about to hit all-time highs. This sucks, dude. This actually sucks, dude. This is actually so annoying. I thought today was going to be the day, man. I thought we would get one good day of this month, but I guess not, man. So yeah, I'm probably going to buy another Alpha Zero as well. Just one more, and that's it. If I fail, I fail. But yeah, I'm just going to make sure to be patient on this Express account and not do anything stupid. So yeah, man. Anything else to go over? Yeah, not really. Like I was recording this trade. I don't feel like posting it since it was like a loss. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not trying to post it because it was like a loss, and I'm sort of upset about it. But when I was recording, literally exactly what I want to see happen. I want to see a 930 Judas swing, make obvious gaps, hit the 15-minute, then get a short, and that happened. So I was in it, and I can't be mad that I lost. So yeah, even though I am a little mad, but yeah, at least my risk reward was there, and yeah, I'm just gonna wrap up this video. If you made it till the end, comment sup, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.